Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the battery. Okay, the battery become very damaged and it become big. You see the phone already open. You see they become very big. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, this one, I don't need to hit it again anymore because the screen already open, because the battery become very big inside, make the screen open. Okay, so you just take out the two screw from here. If your phone never open like this, you still want to change the battery, it's better you hit the screen a bit, the side, make sure you use the blower and hit the side so you can remove the glue before you can use the rubber screen opener like this. You put here, after you hit it a bit, you put here and close it like this. You hit the side with a blower right now before you use this one to open it. Okay, open it like this. Okay, but if your phone already open, it's very easy for you. You just try to open it after you remove the two screw. Okay, you just try to remove the LCD like this. Open it, because battery become very big. As you can see, the battery become big already, you see. Okay, now you need to take out the screws from this side. Take out all the screw from this side. Make sure you take out all these three screw here. Don't put them in the same place because sometimes iPhone screws are not the same. Remove this panel, put it close to the screw. Remove the LCD. If you have a nails, use your nails, is more important. Okay, and remove this other one up here also. Put them in different place. Okay, iPhone use different type of screw. Make sure you get all the screw. Remove this panel. To the one side, square this other connector here. Use your nails, is better than use the pencil, you don't spoil anything there. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. Battery terminal is here. Disconnect it from here. Okay, you use something that is a bit hard like this to remove the battery. Okay, just put inside like this and try to remove the battery. The battery already becomes swallow, become very big, so it's very easy for you to take out. Take out the battery with one side. Okay, now you need to fix the new battery. Okay, the new battery comes with its own glue. Just take out this plastic at the back like this. Okay, then remove this one also so that the battery will not overheat. Okay, then you fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first, very nice, like this. Then you put the battery down so you don't lose the position of the battery terminal. Make sure you rest properly, very nice. Okay, then you remove back the battery terminal. You fix the LCD first before you fix it. Fix the LCD, very nice. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Fix this one also here. Okay, and fix now the battery terminal. Make sure you fix it very nice. Then fix back the cover. Make sure you fix them very nice. Replace all the screw you take out. You have to be very skillful to do it. Replace all the screw. Fix this other cover here. Make sure when you're fixing the screw, make sure you're supposed to hold the screen so the screen connector will not damage. Hold it like this and hold the cover to screw it perfectly. Make sure you place all the screw, okay? After you place all the screw, close the screen, start closing from the top like this, very nice. Okay, then you close it down. This is very nice. Okay, you place back these two screws, take out. Okay, then you put the phone on charge. As you can see, the Apple logo already show. Okay, even the battery is 88%. You need to put on charge for full charge 100% before you use the phone, so you don't spoil the new battery inside. Okay, now the phone is on, the battery is okay. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.